FCX is the trade idea for the week. Again, a clean peekaboo kind of situation here, right? Like we did break above with copper kind of looking very, very good. Once we break above 52, I think 54 is the target here, looking extremely well. Because if you zoom out a little bit more, what I kind of see is a huge cup and handle kind of situation too, right? Like if you look at it, now we are creating a handle here of this cup, and once we break that, I do think 54 is the target. And something that I've observed also is there is like massive call buying on FCX. This weekly trade ideas, it's only going to be a $500 bet. I'm not going to size in or size out or scale out or anything like that. Gets in, so there's a stop loss on the daily close. If it does fall below the stop loss, I'm going to get out. If it hits the price target, I'm going to get out. And if it usually if it hits more than 100% also is something that I would love to get out. But that's mostly what I'm looking for here. So we will see if we can hit 54 this week, which is the price target.